My name is Jackson Billings, and I'm here with.
Rebecca Banks.
How long have you been teaching?
This is my 28th year.
So, what do you think you're going to miss most about the school and teaching art?
Well, I've already been thinking about that a lot, and I've already decided that I'm going to miss the interactions with the kids every day because I think it keeps me young, and I'm worried I'm going to turn into an old fart if I don't have these kids to hang out with.
Why are you retiring?
I'm retiring so I can start maybe a second career and help contribute a little more to the college fund for all my children.
What kind of things are you interested in doing for retirement?
Well, I hope up until October I'm doing a lot of golfing and hanging out. And then in October I could maybe come back and sub some, or if I find another job, I've always dreamed of working for L81 or doing some more art with Miss Polly, maybe having a side business. And so who knows? The world is my oyster.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for your time.